Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Telegram wallet. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Telegram, and at the top you will see this search, and in that search you want to type in wallet. Now, once you have done that, here is your Telegram wallet. And basically with the wallet, you can do a lot of stuff. You can send your money to other wallets, you can add crypto, you can exchange your money, you can go to P2P market, you can also start earning. As you can see, these are some things you can apply and potentially get those. It tells you how many dollars you have. Again, you can send, receive, add crypto, exchange, like you can do all of these different things. Also, under more assets, you have more of your crypto that you have. Same thing, send, receive, etc., etc. These are basically the current prices of these ones. We have a transaction history, so you can look at everything you've been doing. At the top you have settings where you can show tone space, unlock it with Face ID, wallet language, default currency, expand assets, and in here you can just share, reload, and turn. So you can share and here you could share your wallet so people can send you money. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.